If you've tried everything to lose weight and nothing seems to work, this video might be the solution you've been waiting for. And the best part, it's 100% natural, with no stimulants and no risk of dependency. Stay with me until the end because I'm going to show you how SeroBurn can transform your life and also give you an essential tip to avoid scams when purchasing. SeroBurn is a revolutionary supplement formulated to tackle one of the most common causes of weight gain, serotonin imbalance, and a slow metabolism. What makes it different? It not only speeds up metabolism and burns fat, but also helps control emotional hunger, that uncontrollable craving for sweets and carbs. And what makes SeroBurn so effective? It's 100% natural and exclusive formula, which works synergistically with your body. And what are the main benefits you will get by including SeroBurn in your routine? It naturally boosts metabolism, increases serotonin levels, reducing anxiety and binge eating, helps manage weight in a healthy and sustainable way with no stimulants and no risk of addiction, and improves quality of life and daily energy levels. To further enhance the results, SeroBurn offers a nighttime version, SeroBurn PM. While metabolism slows down at night, SeroBurn PM keeps working to burn fat, reduce nighttime cravings, and promote deep, restorative sleep. Imagine waking up refreshed and ready to burn more calories throughout the day. And the best part, you have 60 days to try SeroBurn risk-free. If for any reason you're not satisfied, simply request a refund, no questions asked, no hassle. This proves the brand's confidence in the product's effectiveness. But be careful, SeroBurn is only sold through the official website, and to help you, I've left the link in the description so you don't risk falling for scams or receiving counterfeit products. Click the official link now and take advantage of the offers before stock runs out. See you soon.